welcome back to the kitchen. If you're new here, welcome. And to my subscribers, welcome back. Today I'll be making a Thanksgiving charcuterie board using all products from Aldi grocery store. See if you like these types of videos, just keep watching. When served in a restaurant, charcuterie is presented as an appetizer on a board alongside cheese and nuts. I'll add honey and strawberry preserve that will pair well with some of the cheeses and crackers. And it's also good to have fresh and dried fruits on your board. A few different types of cheeses are also welcome. The theme of a charcuterie board can vary. It can be a cheese and fruit theme, it can be a pickle and spread theme, or it can be a toast and meat theme. I'm using 3 different types of meat. I have a salami, a pepperoni, and a spicy ham. There are basically no rules to a charcuterie board. Just make it appealing to your guests and also yourself. Make sure you have things that everybody would enjoy. And the holidays are approaching and Thanksgiving is the first one up. So you know you'll have to have something just to hold the guests over until we get into that turkey. The items I'm using are all from Aldi grocery store, and they have everything that you could possibly need for entertaining in this holiday season. So if you have one near you, I suggest you run, don't walk. A charcuterie board doesn't always have to be savory items. It can also be a board filled with all your favorite desserts and candies. And remember, presentation is always key. Everyone eats with their eyes first. And there you go. Our Thanksgiving charcuterie board is all done. I hope I give you some ideas on how to entertain the guests while waiting for that turkey. Let me know in the comments if you've made a charcuterie board before, and if you haven't, will you try this Thanksgiving? Let me know below. As always, thanks for the support. Continue to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notified every Friday when I post. Bye!